Okay, so I don't know how long this video has to be, but I guess I'll hopefully do it under 10 minutes. So there is four animals, which is the panda, owl, uh, python, and sea turtle, and they all kind of have their own habitats. So this is the owl one, this is the panda one, sea turtle one, and then the python one. So uh, each each animal you can open up an interactive menu and it'll allow you to feed the python, clean the python, make an egg if it's a female, which this is, and it'll pop down an egg. You can see that. And then after some time, uh, the a new snake will spawn. And then they also have like a unique one, a new unique behavior, which is you try to pet it and they bite you. So your character has uh, has a health right here, so it harms you. And then the sea turtle, uh, they also have eggs, kind of the same stuff. And then you can feed plastic to the sea turtle, and they take damage. So they have a health, and then they take damage. And then uh, panda, they don't have eggs; they just pop out a new one, and then they also shit. So, and then owls just make a hoot, and they also have eggs as well. Okay, and then I guess for the code, so you got your base script. So in the aspects class for animal, you got age, and then you got the maximum age is female, and then like health, hunger, hygiene, the speed for each animal, the name of the species kind of thing, and then kind of like what they all kind of have. So they all have, they can all eat food, clean themselves, uh, age up, make more of themselves, make sounds, and then find food. So, for example, the Python one, this has a unique uh, float, which is heat. So they lose heat as they move around, and then they want to sunbathe to regenerate that heat. So for the make more of themselves, they have eggs. So they it creates the egg, and then uh, in the Python egg, after some time, it creates the Python prefab. And then just sets, and then the bite creature. So if you pet it, it will take health away. And then they have like the sunbathing one as well. The find food one is sorry, my mic was off. Okay, and then the find food is it goes to the location where there's food and then it eats food, which sets it back to the hunger back to zero. And then they all kind of have like the unique things. And then in each script, um, they have a name box and a sound box. And then when they spawn, they they have two arrays of names. So if it's a male, it gets the male array, and then if it's female, female one. This keeps track of time. directions. So this is like the positions in the habitat they will move to. Their food area, uh, since since they give birth to eggs, they have a egg prefab. So they find player since they bite the player. It sets name, and then there's a 50-50 chance each time it spawns that it might be a female. And then if it's a female, set the name. If it's a male, set the name. And then it will generate the force position they're going to when they move around. And then it will do a countdown. And each after the countdown hits to 0, it will use the speed time delta time to move to the positions. And then once it hits that position, it minuses the heat and hunger, or it adds to the hunger, and then randomizes the array again. And then it randomizes the time until it moves again from 6 to 10 seconds. And then if the Python hunger hits 90 or is greater than 90, then it tries to find food and says it's going to eat. Same kind of thing happens with heat. If it goes down to 5, it will sunbathe to raise the heat again. And then this stuff is for the interactive box thing, which you saw. And they run the functions from the base script and the animal script. And then they all kind of have the same stuff. And then the panda uh, just has the baby panda instead of the egg. So I think that's everything. The interactable thing, it literally just there's a little trigger box on each animal, and if you're inside of that trigger area, interactable equals true, or can interact equals true. If you press E on that, then it opens up the menu, or closes it, and then it also closes it if you move away. And that's pretty much it.